Hello learners, welcome to today's activity. We have mathematics. We'll be looking at what? Division in numbers. Division in numbers. Whole numbers operation. That is what we are looking at since our previous lesson. Today we'll be looking at the same division, but this one will be repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction. Alright, in our previous lesson we looked at example like this. We looked at example like this. We said what? In equal sharing, 10 divided by 2 equals what? We don't know. Let's say the box is here. Alright, so in equal sharing, the number of people sharing, you draw them 1 to 2 people sharing 10 apples. Alright, so let's share these 10 apples among these 2 people. 1, 2. Make sure they should all pick one after the other. If you pick one, let your brother also pick. You pick, you pick, you pick, you pick. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 apples. So the moment is up to 10, you stop. Then you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. This person has received 5. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This person too has received what? 5. So 10 divided by 2, it tells us what? 5. Meaning they will all receive 5, 5, 5. Now, let's leave this example here and use the method of what? Repeated subtraction. We have, okay, let's use 10. 10 divided by 5. This is 10. Repeated subtraction, so 10 minus 2. Until you get 0 before you stop. Until you be subtracting until you get 0, or until the number is lesser or smaller than what? 2. Now 10 minus 2 is what? 8. You subtract 2. 8 minus 2 is what? 6. Have you seen it? Subtract 2. 6 minus 2 is what? Is what? 4. Subtract 2. 4 minus 2 is what? 2. Subtract, it is equal to 2. While with the subtraction must continue till the number is smaller than 2 or less than what? 2. 2 minus 2. 0. Now let's check. If you finish, you have to check how many 2 have you subtracted. This is 1. This is another 2, 3, 4, and the last 2. So this is the answer 5. How many 2? 5. So this is the answer 5. Have you seen it? These arrows, they are all not necessary, but just to help you understand the lesson, you can count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then that is our 5. Simple. Let's look at example 1 on the board. 4 divided by 2. You write 4 divided by 2. Rewrite this way vertically. Subtract. 4 minus 2 is what? 2. We subtract again. 2 minus 2 is what? 0. So I've subtracted 1, 2. So 4 minus 2 is what? 4 divided by 2 is what? 2 because I've used 1, 2. 2, I've subtracted 2 times. So I'll write here. Take note of all this. In our next lesson, we will be making use of our multiplication table. Our what? Multiplication table. Multiplication table. Alright. Now, let's look at example 2. This is 8 divided by 4. So now, you rewrite this vertically. 8 minus 4 is what? 4. Alright. Now, you still subtract 4. Why? Because this is repeated subtraction. You'll be subtracting 4 until the last answer is smaller than 4. It can be 0. 0, you know, 0 is smaller than what? 4, or is less than what? 4. So you continue. 4 minus 4 is what? 0. The moment you attain 0 or the lesser number, you stop. You count. 1, 2. So, have you seen it? So 8 divided by 4 is what? 2. Let's look at example 3. 15 divided by 3. This is 15 divided by 3. Alright, look at this. Rewrite this down. So you'll be subtracting using repeated 4. Alright. 15 minus 3 is what? Is what? Alright. 12. You write your 12 down. Sometimes if you want to subtract one after the other, you can do it. But that one will confuse you because you can say 5 minus 3 is what? 2. You bring your 1 down. It's still the same 12. You subtract 3. 2 minus 3. Not possible. So you borrow 1 from here, making 12. 12, which is the same 12 here. 12 minus 3 is what? 9. Write your answer down 9. So you subtract 3 again. 3 minus 3 is what? 6. Is bigger than what? 3, so you subtract 3. 6 minus 3 is what? 3. We said the answer should be less than 3. The divisor shouldn't be equal or more. This is equal to 3, so you will subtract 3 again. 3 minus 3 is what? 0. Alright, let's count how many subtractions we've made so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, 15 divided by 3 is what? Equal to what? 5. You write your 5 down. Example 4. Example 4. 20 divided by 5 equals, then you write this vertically. This is what? 20 minus 5. Alright. 20 minus 5 will give us what? 15. Okay? You subtract 5. 15 minus 5. 10. You subtract 5. 10 minus 5 is what? 5. You subtract 5. Why are we subtracting 5 from this 5? Because it's equal to, we said the answer should be less than. So 5 minus 5 will be equal to what? 0. Let's check the number of deduction or subtraction we've made. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Simple. This is the use of repeated word subtraction. Repeated word subtraction. Yes, we also learned that we can do our division. We can do our division using what? Equal sharing, and what? Repeated subtraction. Keep practicing till we meet again. Bye bye.